Tonight on 6 News, former Temple police officer Carmen DeCruz walks away a free man 3 years after that 2019 traffic stop resulting in Michael Dean's death. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Lindsay Lippman.
Welcome in, everybody. I'm Chris Radcliffe. Certainly a very busy News Tuesday. Let's get right to our top story tonight. After 9 days of testimony and several hours of deliberations, the jury handed down the not guilty verdict for Carmen DeCruz.
He was facing second-degree manslaughter, and today prosecutors added criminally negligent homicide to the charges to be considered. Ultimately, the jury sided with the defense. 6 News reporter Adriana Alexander tells us why the DeCruz defense team believes the jury came to this conclusion.
We have a jury of peers. We had a full jury selection process. We have transparency. We have the best system in the world, and it worked today.
The Dean family in most of the courtroom was left shocked after the judge read the 12-person jury's verdict of Carmen DeCruz being found not guilty. Defense attorney Robert McCabe brought in numerous witnesses to testify in this case, including a video analyst who he believes was able to prove to the jury that Dean reached for the top of DeCruz's gun and was the reason DeCruz fired his weapon.
I think they came to this conclusion because they're the ones that actually see all the facts. They see the video, they see it analyzed, they see all of the evidence objectively with fresh eyes without being swayed by the story that the DA's office wants to tell, which is a fiction.
The state attorney brought a DNA analyst to testify and said Michael Dean's DNA was not at all found on DeCruz's gun. They also brought in DeCruz's training coordinator who trained DeCruz when he joined the force in 2021. He explained that most of what DeCruz did during the incident involving Dean was not taught in his training and was frowned upon in the department. But the defense pled that it was Dean's choice to not follow DeCruz's commands, and that's what led to his death.
Michael Dean caused his own death in this case. It's a tragic accident. It should have never happened, but the fact is, drunk people make bad choices, and touching an officer's gun, causing it to be discharged is not a crime. It is a choice you make as a poor choice you make as a drunk, violent person.
Adriana Alexander, 6 News.
Now, McCabe, the attorney we just heard from there, told reporters outside the courthouse DeCruz has no plans to return to law enforcement, again, despite his years of experience.